Morning, everyone. It is Mrs. Baldwin here. I decided we're going to go back to some Classkick assignments. It seemed to be a little bit easier for me to monitor your progress. So what you have here are 3 unique boxes, 1, 2, and 3. What I want you to do is solve the problems if you can, and then let me know which box is which box has one unique solution for each equation, which box has no solutions for the equations, and which box has infinitely many solutions for each equation. The important thing I want you to tell me, though, is how do you know? So with this assignment, I'm not as concerned as much with the answers to the individual equations. I want to know how you know each box represents the 3 different types of solutions. So with this, you can click on these boxes and type directly into them. So this first box is going to go along with column 1. So let me know, is this box the no solution box, the infinitely many solution box, or the one unique solution box? This box underneath column 2 goes with 2, and then this one under here goes with box 3. As always, if you have any questions about anything, feel free to reach out to myself and Mrs. Ritter. So far, you guys are doing really well with lesson 7. We will continue to move through the book, and I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Stay safe and stay well.